Welcome to Buckeye Girls Reason Things and the Winter Lantern Collaboration 2020, hosted by Kenya's Corner Creations. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my crazy videos. I hope you enjoy my lantern swag and what I done with it in my home. Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We're going to make a quick no-bake cookie today. Okay, let me find the kettle here. Okay, we're going to start off with a cup and a half of sugar, half a cup of butter, and this is a half a cup of milk. And I forgot my vanilla. I just like to use the cap, but it's a teaspoon. You know. Hey, Barb. Hey, Diane. Hey, Aretha. I hope that's right. I hope I didn't slaughter your name completely. I apologize if I did. Okay, we're going to cook this. This is not going to be your normal chocolate no-bake. This is going to be a peanut butter no-bake. I thought it was time for me to start on Christmas cookies. Hey, Mary. My husband's name, everybody messes his name up. They say they never heard it before. And everybody that I talk to him on a live thinks I call him Dad. His name's Thad. Hey, Amy. Let's get this heat up a little bit. So what's everybody been doing? Has anybody else been baking for the holidays yet? I'm just starting. I feel like I'm behind. We're going Friday to get a new refrigerator because mine's on the fritz. It's been dumping water on the floor. Hey, Amy, I hope I can see a lot of people's lives and stuff I've been on lately. They haven't been able to see comments or anything. It's been kind of crazy on Facebook lately. That's why I haven't been doing many videos here. either they can't see comments or they're just not doing, and just the internet or the feed doesn't seem really well. Hi, Bandit. Yeah, I'm debating on how much I'm going to bake this year. Not nearly as much as I was. I may make some thumbprint cookies this year. I may make some, Mom called them pecan puffs, which I think everybody else calls them the Mexican wedding cookies. I may make some of those. And I may make some sugar cookies, and that may be about it. And I'm going to make some Almond Joy candy and some Buckeyes, and that's it. Normally I make a ton, but this year people don't want you to bring cookies, so I'm not going to make a lot. Hey Barbara. Hey Teresa. Get this butter melted down. And what does the recipe say? In a saucepan over medium-high heat, add the butter, the milk, and bring to a rapid boil. Whisk, which I'm not whisking, for a minute and remove from the heat. Well, in a minute my butter wasn't melted, so I'm going to wait a little bit. At least I got to get the butter melted. Oh, that's weird. Okay, now to this I'm going to add three-fourths cup of peanut butter. And if you like it a little crunchier, you can add crunchy peanut butter. This Friday, I just completed 30 days of videos on YouTube. I released a video every day for 30 days. And girls, I'm tired. Chat, I'm tired. I didn't think it would take that much out of me to do that many videos, but man, it took a lot out of me. I created a lot of great content, a lot of great decorating ideas, a lot of great DIYs. I even did a prepping video, because in 30 days, you just don't know what to do. Oh, have a Merry Christmas, Chad, and a Happy New Year. Okay, we'll get the peanut butter melted. Okay, now this is 3.5 cups of oatmeal. Let's get that stirred right in there. And then we'll just scoop this out onto parchment paper. I'm sorry, Sonia. Hey, Ronnie. And Rebecca. I am making no-bake peanut butter cookies. It's an old-fashioned recipe, and this time of the year, Melissa gets a little sentimental and likes to pull out these old-fashioned recipes and make them, especially ones she hasn't had for a while. So that's what I'm going to be doing this week, and probably next week too, pulling out some old recipes that I haven't made in a while and make them for Christmas. Okay, all I'm going to do is take it over onto the parchment paper and scoop it out.